Hello, you lot. I see you've come to a decision. You're going to apply to uni. Good choice. We best talk you through it then. First things first, and it's not rocket science, but if you're going to apply to uni, you need to know which course you're going to apply to. I know, who'd have guessed it? But if you haven't decided yet, there's tons of info on the UWL website, loads of videos on the YouTube channel, you know, out there on the internet. But if the internet isn't your thing, ignoring the fact you're online now, then you can call this number and speak to a real person for some more info. Once that little detail's out the way, you can apply. So take your time, research, relax, watch university videos featuring amazingly talented presenters and make the choice that's right for you. If for whatever reason you miss the deadline, then you can still send an application to UWL and be considered for any available spaces. And clearing kicks off in July. So any applications made after then will go through the clearing process. Once you've applied, you can always give the recruitment team a bell to answer any questions. Hello? There are, of course, a few things you'll need to make sure your applications are top-notch. Like a carefully crafted personal statement that's not too short, a reference from a relevant person that's relevant, not relative, and of course your exam results. But don't worry, your A-level and BTEC results get sent directly to your uni choices. And of course, you're more than welcome to apply with other types of qualifications. You just need to send them to us yourself. For one or two of you out there, you might have to attend a selection day, aka a portfolio review, an assessment day, or an audition, for you creative students, future nurses, and performers respectively. Once you've applied, UCAS will let you know when you need to narrow down your choices from 5 to a firm and an insurance choice. And yes, you can have UWL for both if you really want to. And just to make sure you'll want to, UWL invites offer holders to an applicant day in spring, where you can tour the facilities, meet the tutors, and get a taste of what it's like to study at UWL. So what are you waiting for? Those UWL courses aren't going to take themselves, you know. You'll be learning here in no time. But if you can't wait until then, there's always an open day.